Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jacqueline. It's Wednesday evening, 3rd of December, and my guest today is Global Chaos Team, which is Monica, Eunice, Sorash, and Arif. And they will speak about the world's biggest bank, which is HSBC, and the challenges which faces the globalization.
Globalization is a set of processes leading to the integration of cultural, political and social services around the globe. It gives us the possibility of airplanes connection to almost every destination, cheap phone calls, emails, computers, ocean vessels and instant capital flow. All this make the world more independent than ever. Multinational corporations manufacture products around the globe and sell it to the customers in different countries.
At the same time, multinational corporations are moving their services to poor countries around the world to seek cheap labor. So basically they are getting richer by using poorer labor.
Despite all the different points of view, globalization is a positive process which helps to improve living standards throughout the world. In February 2008, the Banker and Forbes magazine named HSBC the most valuable banking brand.
It's most profitable bank in the world with 19.13 billion net income in last year.
Global companies is HSBC, which stands for Hong Kong and Shanghai Corporation. Its head office is in London and is named one of the biggest banks in the world.
It employs 330,000 people and has 100 million customers around the world, and which is more than.
It has 9,500 offices in 85 countries and territories.
In February 2008, the Forbes magazine and the Banker magazine named HSBC the most valuable banking brand.
And it's most profitable bank in the world with 19.13 billion net income in last year.
Our personal analysis on HSBC shows that economy and technology are the two major challenges facing the bank. Last year, for example, the HSBC CEO group announced that they received thousands of email viruses and they must spend a huge amount to prevent that from causing a systematic damage. In April 2008, HSBC claimed that they had lost data disks containing the life insurance policy of 370,000 of its customers, and especially in the shaky economy that we're living in at the moment, it's unacceptable.
The economic world has gone upside down, and strong banks with multi-billion profits didn't survive the market. The current economic situation is very unpredictable, and although HSBC seems to be okay at the moment, we don't really know what will happen in the future.
I think it's a disgrace for a multi-billion company like HSBC to have most of its call centers in India. What's more, they pay the Indian employees peanuts while bosses and managers get big salaries and huge bonuses.
However, let's not forget that for the people in India, HSBC are creating new workplaces and giving them opportunities that they normally wouldn't have. The little money that they earn can help them support their families.
We know HSBC calls itself a local bank, but is it really? If so, why don't they have call centers in every country they have branches in so that every customer calling can talk to their local people? What's more, HSBC admitted in one of the articles produced by The Guardian that it was filtering its 8.5 million customer calls and transferring them to different countries depending on their income and credit ratings. The poorer customers were transferred to India while the rich people in England were transferred to the local people.
One thing's for sure, monitoring a global company is not simple. HSBC has branches all over the world, and if one of them goes down, it will automatically affect other branches. It is more like a domino effect. Therefore, HSBC should consider taking the diversity by working on the internal model and focusing on what is happening in every branch. Maybe constant monitoring can help them from going down, like their competitor Merrill Lynch, and help them in the biggest challenge, which is globalization.
That's from Global Chaos Team. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening.